Alright, so rear main seal here, pretty much same thing goes as the front if you watch my video for the front. You're going to pop the old one out. Be careful doing it. I almost scarred this side of mine because I couldn't get any leverage with it, so I had to try a screwdriver. And that was close. Luckily, it still looks like it seals and does good. Didn't look like it scarred any on the outside of where the seal looks like the seal covers it completely. So hopefully it'll all be good. But before, when I did this, I had a really nice seal puller and it broke, and I can't find any in the stores that have one the past couple of days, so that really irritated me. I'm gonna have to order a new one. But yeah, basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10mm bolts, and then of course the 2 up here for the oil pan. But you're gonna have to take the oil pan off to do this anyway, so as I'm explaining this, I'm assuming you already have the oil pan off. So when you do this, you're just gonna want to line it up, same way, and take a rubber mallet or something you're comfortable with and just slowly just tap it all through. You're gonna have to tap kind of harder on the rear main because it's just bigger and wider, and tap all the way through. And then you're going to come back over here. Well, first, I'm going to show you something. They give you these gaskets that you can put on. Now, it's not going to hurt anything if you put them on, but I don't put them on because Honda uses the RTV or the Honda Bond. They don't use these, if you can see right here, I'm scraping it off. They don't use those gaskets. Now, I have used those in the past. You can use them. Really, it doesn't help because generally you're not going to get much oil in here anyways because of the seal. I mean, you got to understand this motor's got probably close to 200,000 on it, depending. It came out of an RD2, so I don't know exactly. It's not the original motor that was in here. But you're not going to get that much oil in there. Most of the oil is going to stay, around that crankshaft and stay, and that's what the seal is supposed to do. So if you want to use them with the kit, go ahead. I find it's more just kind of a pain in the butt, so I don't use them. I just put some more Honda Bond around it, and I've never had any trouble with it. It's always been good. So I'm going to do that really quick, and then I'll show you guys installing it. Alright, so I got the Honda Bond around it. You don't need a ton. It really doesn't need to be like smeared out crazy evenly. It wasn't to begin with. You just want it on there. You can look, see, you can even see in the key points. There wasn't too much on there. I do, however, need to clean some of the old stuff off, I just noticed.